Hey guys, this is iTech1 here. Hope you're all doing great. 3 weeks ago, Apple had an event where they introduced the iPhone XS, iPhone XS Max, iPhone XR, and Apple Watch Series 4. Although this event was memorable, our attention is now shifting to a rumored Apple event set to happen sometime this October. Apple hasn't officially announced any date for the October event yet, but based off the past 8 years, with only 2015 and 2017 being the exceptions, there has been an Apple event every October. In 2010, Apple had an event on October 20th with the tagline, Back to the Mac. In 2011, there was an event on October 4th with the tagline, Let's Talk iPhone. In 2012, Apple had an event on October 23rd with the tagline, We've got a little more to show you. Then in 2013, Apple had an event on October 22nd with a tagline, We still have a lot to cover. In 2014, Apple had an event on October 16th with the tagline, It's been way too long. Skipping 2015, Apple had an event in 2016 on the 27th of October with the tagline, Hello again. Apple then skipped an October event in 2017. Mostly all of the October events in the past have fallen in the latter half of the month, so it is very likely that'll be the same case this year. Mac Rumors website has predictions about the possible dates Apple might hold the event on. It could either be Tuesday, October 16th or Tuesday, October 23rd. All of the October events have been focused on Macs, MacBooks, and iPads with the exception of the October 2011 event, where Apple introduced the iPhone 4S with Siri. It's not likely that Apple could hold an event in the next few days because Apple always sends invitation a week prior to the event date. Also, Google's big event is already set for Tuesday, October 9th in New York City where they will be unveiling the Pixel 3 and Pixel 3 XL. Apple probably wouldn't hold an event next week so that it doesn't interfere with the Google event. Apple does like to host most of its event on either Tuesdays, Wednesdays, or Thursdays, so maybe not next week, but we have hopes of hearing from Apple soon. With all that being said, possible dates are Tuesday, October 16th, Wednesday, October 17th, Thursday, October 18th, Tuesday, October 23rd, Wednesday, October 24th, or Thursday, October 25th. If the event is set to happen sometime soon, like on October 16th, Apple might be sending out the invitations as early as next Tuesday. The October 16th date sounds like the perfect one. It would be 3 days before the iPhone XR pre-order starts, so Apple could refresh the media and consumers on how amazing the XR is. And that same date, October 19th, could also be the pre-order date for Apple's new product set to be unveiled in the upcoming event. Whatever the situation will be, Apple is expected to introduce a redesigned iPad Pro with Face ID and no home button, a new Mac, long-awaited MacBook Air with retina display, and possibly refreshed iMac and Mac Mini. Please comment below when you think the Apple event will happen and what new products you are hoping for. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more news on the October event. Until next time, take care.